So today I'll be showing you the basics of Rainbow Loom. So what we have here is a container that was used for beads with the Rainbow Looms, rubber band, and the C-clips. And our hook. So we are going to start off by making the single chain bracelet. And we're going to be using the colors of blue, and pink. So here is the blue, and then we have pink over there. So to get started, we're going to take our glue band and our hook, take your hook, put the band on the hook like this, and just wrap it around 2 or 3 times, whatever you feel comfortable with. Then you're going to take one band and you're just going to pull this over the hook, so it's like this. Push this bands down and take these bands out on your finger and put it on your hook like this. Then you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna take one side of the elastic on the band and one side of the elastic from your finger, and pull everything onto that is on the hook, over the hook, and onto this band here. Push it down and pull that over the hook and then onto the hook. So this is your single chain bracelet. It's very simple and easy, and this is very fast once you get the hang of it. And this leads us to the next tutorial, which is a fishtail bracelet. Okay, so next for the fishtail, I'm going to be using yellow and purple. So we're going to start off by taking one single band, looping it around your hook. 1, 2, so that there's 3 loops. Then you're going to take 2 bands this time and take one side of the elastic on the hook, the other side on your finger. And you're going to pull this, which is called the cap band, over your hook and onto those bands right there, and push it down and pull that right over. It's the same technique as the single chain, but you're just wrapping one band around 3 times instead of 2, and taking 2 bands every time. The only time where you only have 1 band is when you're making the cap band. I'm just trying to straighten it out. And boom. Next I'll be showing you slip knots, which is very easy and also a way you can use if you don't have any C-clips on hand. And I really recommend that way. So I'll repeat it once again. You're going to take 2 bands of any color. And just go like that and put that down one more time. Take 2 elastics, put those 2 elastics one side on the hook and then the other side on your finger, and take every band on the hook except for those elastics, pull those over, let that go, and just pull that over. And I'm not going to use C-clips right now, but this does lead to our next tutorial. Okay, so to make this slip knot, you're just going to take 1 band. It doesn't matter what you're on, you're still going to take 1 band. You can either just loop it through everything, push that down and go like this, and just pull a nice slip knot. Pull 1 band, the bottom elastic, over the hook, and just pull. I don't know if you guys saw that, but bottom elastic over the hook and pull here. And if you want to make it into an actual bracelet but don't have a C-clip, you're going to take your bottom, your cap band, and you're just going to take those bands and you're going to push it like that. Take your 1 band and loop it through everything, pull that down, push that over, and then take the bottom elastic and put it over the top, and then pull. I hope this helped for the beginner tutorial for those who don't know much about it. And let's just go over. So this right here is called a single chain. This right here is called a slip knot, and this right here is called a cap band. Once again, this is called a fishtail. This is called a cap band, and this is called a slip knot. And you probably already know this is called a Rainbow Loom hook. So if you enjoyed the video, like it. Bye!